Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we make custom clear acrylic coasters. When it comes to making custom acrylic coasters, as you can see here, it's a little bit hard to photograph and do it justice really, because it's transparent. Basically, just think of glass that has some etching into it, and that's the easiest way to describe what I did here. Now, I do have a prop with a lot more detail in it, and we'll take a look at that, as you can see here. Now this just gives you an idea. When it comes to acrylic specifically, we can engrave it, as you can see here, and it ends up with like a frosty sort of look to it. Cutting all the way through as well produces really nice results. And of course you could have any kind of branding you want. In this case here, this was for a wedding, and they got a whole bunch of these coasters made, and they're laser cut using our Trotec Speedy 400 Flex. Now, something you have to keep in mind design-wise is that when you say, okay, we want this design, we want this logo, we want this text and so forth, everything can be totally customized to your needs. But I also have to do a prototype of it first, because what happens is when you have too much density of things like this here, for instance, you actually end up having a little bit of warping in the acrylic. So that's something I need to prototype quickly to prove the design actually works, and then we go ahead and actually make it. Let's say you're not a big fan of acrylic and you want the coasters made out of mahogany, or you want them out of oak or pine or maple, any kind of wood species. CNCKing.com could do just the same amount of detail on that as we can on acrylic. And actually, in some respects, even more, because we don't have to deal with warping on most types of wood. Now, if you want something a bit more solid surface, we can actually make the coasters out of corian. We can make them out of cement. We can make them out of literally anything, including metal, if you want that as well. So if you want custom coasters, the easiest way to proceed with it is to give me an idea of the size, just a rough sketch, the design that you want, the font that you want, and any other design details of it, because literally it can be totally anything. And just tell me what your budget is and how many units you want. And based on all of that, I'll put all that together and give you a quote to get all of them made for you. As for turnaround time, it really depends on the material. Generally, with these kind of coasters and most of the other projects that we do here at CNCKing.com, it's generally 24 to 48 hours. So it's really quick, and it actually takes longer for the middleman to bring you the job that we did for you than it does normally for us to actually do the job. So if you're looking for custom coasters, acrylic, metal, wood, plastic, anything you want, contact me at CNCKing.com.